Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nomti, and if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, yes doll, I know I have been MIA, but the girl, she is back. In this video I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful 13 by 4 Jerry curl Brazilian wig honey from Hair Majesty by DJ Zintle. And I must say I'm so excited because this is actually my first ever frontal wig. I don't think I did a bad job, but in this video I'll actually also just tell you lessons learned, things to avoid, honey, and just let's just enjoy this hair. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and yes darling, let's get into this video. So I'm just going to tell you, I didn't have a bad experience at all with the courier part of this hair. It came with fast way couriers. This is what the box looks like. Because I ordered the hair during Women's Month, I got this beautiful free gift. It is a travel bag. I don't even know how the hanger works, but honey, I will figure it out. So this was the free gift part. I didn't have to purchase this travel bag, which is so cute. I'm so convenient. The hair itself, I actually got it customized, so it came pre-plucked and the knots bleached. I also got this wax stick from Hair Majesty as a part of the free gift. This is what the hair looks like, and I must tell you guys, she smelled so good. She was so fresh. I also bought this edge brush because I don't have one, and that you also get 2 free wig caps within the box, and that's about it. I must say I was so happy with the quality of the hair. The knots looked really good to me. It was pre-plucked to my satisfaction. This hair is so soft. It's called the dimple wig, and wow, as you can see, she's 13 by 4 ear to ear closure, honey. Another personal touch that I really liked is that a couple of days later of receiving my hair, I got this wonderful email from Hair Majesty that gives you tips on how to actually take care of your hair. They tell you where you can actually also take your hair to get it replenished if you need to. Now, just I tried to do the bold cap method, guys. It did not work. So then I altered to just use a wig cap. I used hair remover to clean the surface around my forehead. I'll tell you right now, get yourself rubbing alcohol. That did not work out the best for me. I then just tried to make sure that I put some powder on the edges of this wig cap, especially where I wanted to part the hair, just so that it comes through more naturally. This is her, honey. I also just put in powder on the inside of the wig, but I didn't have to do that much because, like I said, I got her pre-bleached for me. I must say I was very nervous but very excited as well, because like I said, this is my first time ever actually installing a frontal, but I also just wanted to do it myself. So I thought, let me go for it. But I didn't want to risk over plucking the hair or bleaching the hair wrong and something goes wrong. That's how I asked for that customization. I'm using Ghost Bond Blue, which I've seen a lot of reviews is apparently a very good blue blue and I must say it's actually really, really good. I just think, again, like I said, I didn't particularly clean the surface correctly, so it didn't stick the way I wanted it to, but I went in with 2 coats. I also know you're not supposed to use too much, so then I went ahead and I did that. I put the glue on the my forehead where I'm gonna lay the wig, and then I let that dry for a bit before I started just like laying down the wig. And I must say, I don't know how they do. I must actually learn how to pre-plug hair, girl. But yeah, it was pre-plucked to my satisfaction, and I really enjoyed it. It was pretty easy for me to do this part. I also ordered a very small cap because I have a very small head, and then went in with some got to be glued on those edges as well, just to make sure that it actually sticks down, honey. So this was a good idea to do as well. And like I was describing, I got a small cap, so it fit perfectly. Usually I struggle with wigs that don't give you a option to get a medium, small or large cap, because some of us, we got small heads matter, guys, and there's nothing you can do. Then you have to try to, like, I don't know, alter it at the back. So when I was about to cut the lace, I went in with the scissors again. I was very nervous because I was like, ooh, I don't know what I'm doing. I then got one of these hand razor things. I ordered this off of Takealot, and I've seen obviously a lot of other wig tutorials, so I went in to try and just cut the lace with this. So one thing that I definitely do know is that you're not supposed to cut the lace straight. You have to try to go in like a rigid kind of manner just to give it that more of a natural look. But then this was not working out for me, this razor thing. Went back to what I know, scissors. And yeah, I went along to just cut along the hairline. Obviously, again, like I had mentioned, you don't want to go straight. You want to sort of like do like rigid, you know, how do you describe rigid zigzag sort of like motions? So not cutting it overly straight so that, you know, it doesn't look as natural. I also struggled with this part here at the back, but eventually I found my groove and I think I cut it to my perfection, you know. Like I said, guys, you know what, with things like this, you get better with time. It is what it is. But yeah, I went ahead and just cut off the lace as well. Again, I was trying to clean the area around my forehead with hair makeup remover, but no, it was not doing the things. Get yourself a rubbing alcohol. Now for the styling of this wig, honey, I went in with their wax stick that they had given me as a free gift. Like I said, I ordered their hair during a Women's Day special, and I also received the hair in 3 days, guys, 3 days. So I also didn't have a bad sort of like experience with that. This hot brush is from Hair City. I bought a while back. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I nearly burnt my forehead and my fingers and everything else in between. So I would actually suggest maybe you put the hair on a mannequin when you're doing this part, because child, And then went in with a little bit of my olive oil mousse, but I wasn't trying to wet the hair. I wanted her to be puffy, I wanted her to be big, so I combed her out so that she can give me that effect. But then you see, I decided that I don't like that middle part, honey. And the nice thing about a frontal is that, oh child, you can part her anywhere. And I found that parting the hair was also just very, very, very easy. Guys, this hair is so soft. I don't even want to lie. I'm more than satisfied with the quality. Yes, it did shed, obviously, but didn't shed as crazy early as, you know, I thought it would. So that's not too bad. Went in again with that the wax stick, which actually smells so good and works so well. And tried to also, again, slick that hair down. So like I said, this hot brush part, child, I think you need to decide on what style you want. Maybe style it on a mannequin, because like I said, I nearly burnt myself. And there she is. How gorgeous is she? So I also got this edge brush. This one I actually purchased, but it wasn't like that expensive. It was like 20 rand, guys. So as you can see here, your girl was trying and attempting to do baby hairs, which we can all agree is not my forte. I didn't know what I was doing. I honestly didn't know what I was doing, but I thought, you know what, let me try my luck. I don't ever really do baby hairs, even if I do, like, you know, my teapot wigs or whatever. Like, I struggle with baby hairs, but you know what, maybe one day. But yeah, I attempted, and I just didn't like how it looked. I was like, you know what, it's okay. It's okay. We don't all have to have baby hairs. We will to be continued. That's all I'm gonna say. To be continued with that baby hair situation. I tried what I could try, but yeah, no, she was just not giving at all. She was just not giving. So I just attempted to lay down the hair. I don't have one of those like rubber band wig things. I should have actually purchased that. I don't know why I didn't, but I just used this silk scarf. just to help lay the edges better. But yeah, so far so good. I don't think I did a bad job. I then just went off camera to just do some makeup so we can look cute. And again, like I had mentioned so many times in this video, get yourself rubbing alcohol or any alcohol solution, because again, because I didn't clean this area properly, so when I try to go in with my foundation and my concealer, it was just not doing the best for me. But anyways, that is the hair. This is the dimple Jerry Curl Brazilian 13 by 4 wig, 12 inches honey by Hair Majesty from DJ Zintle. My experience, I'm 1000% happy. 10 out of 10, sweetie. I don't know about other people's experiences, but then this is my experience, and I am super happy. I love the wig. It's light, it's fluffy, it's just giving me everything. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Please comment down below, let me know if you'll be ordering or if you've ordered, and let me know your experience. Follow me on Instagram for more makeup looks, sweaty, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye, guys.